Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Zotero Desktop is installed and Word is closed so the plugin can register. Open Zotero, go to Preferences, then Extensions or Site pane to install the Word plugin. This adds the Zotero tab in Word. Once done, restart your computer if asked, then open Word to check for the Zotero ribbon. If the ribbon appears, proceed. If not, move to the plugin troubleshooting steps next. With the Zotero ribbon visible, place your cursor where you want a citation and click Insert Citation. You'll see the red Zotero bar. Type an author, title, or year to search your library, then select the correct item. Zotero formats the in-text citation immediately. Next, use Insert Bibliography to auto-create references at the document end. Make sure to pick the correct citation style from Document Preferences so references match your required format. To finish, run Insert Bibliography, then use Refresh to update all citations after edits. Zotero recalculates numbering and formatting. If the Zotero tab is missing, close Word, reinstall the Word plugin from Zotero Preferences, and enable the Add-in under Word options right arrow add-ins. If problems persist, check macro security blocking COM add-ins or restart both apps. One key tip: disable other citation add-ins temporarily. Conflicting add-ins often prevent the Zotero plugin from loading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.